Good morning students. Today we are learn emerging mode of business, electronic business. Last lecture we are learn meaning and scope of electronic business. Today we are learn benefit of electronic business. Benefit of electronic business. There is the main advantages of electronic business is people get product information online and orders the product online through cash on delivery or prepayment. In this way, seller and buyer both get advantages of internet platform. It means the main advantages of electronic business is people get product information online through the internet, through the website, web page. They are collecting so many informations about product and order the product online through cash on delivery or prepayments. In this way, seller and buyer both get advantages of internet platform. Both are met in internet platform, buyer and seller. Then traditionally, trading by the buyer and seller is done through three channels like face-to-face, emails and phone. The internet has become fourth channel for trades. Internet trade is booming and allowing business to sell more and a lower cost. They are more selling at a lower cost. Thus, internet offer a great opportunity over traditional channels as it has some advantages or strength of electronic business. We are learn one by one some benefits of electronic business. First benefits of electronic business is of formation. The formation of traditional business is very difficult is compared to the electronic business, whereas from electronic business is relatively easy to start. There is not required to any platform. There is electronic business, there is not required any stores. There is not required so many manpowers. Therefore, it is easy to start to compare to traditional business. Next, lower investment requirement. Investment requirement is low as compared to traditional business. As the stores, traditional business as the required stores does not have any physical existence and can be managed with less manpower. So, if the trade does not have much of the investment but have contract network, he can do fabulous business. It means traditional business they are required so many manpowers, managers, stores, physical existence. It must be required in traditional business. But internet electronic business is not required, for that one's very less manpowers are required. Therefore, they have much of the investment but have contract network has been due to the fluctual business. There is low investment are required in electronic business. Next, convenience. Internet offered the convenience 24 hours and 7 days, 365 days a year. Business is going on any times and flexibility is available. It is a very convenience business, very flexibility business. This business has helped the consumer to clarity their doubts about the goods, their price. They are also the position to reach out the producers directly through the internet. It has become a very easy to launch a new products by giving all the informations on the internet. It helps the consumer and other businessmen to get the information sitting at homes. It is a very convenience business. It is a very convenience business. Another one, speeds. This benefit become also the more attractive when it comes to informations. Much of the buyer or seller involve exchange of information that internet allowed at the click of mouse. Electronic businesses made it possible to make things available in the remote area. It helps through people living in these kinds of places to get the goods on the click of a mouse. It's just very speedily give the benefits to electronic business. Next, global access. Internet is truly without boundary. On one hand, it allowed the sellers and access to the global markets. On the other hand, it offers a freedom to the buyer to choose product from almost any part of the world, not for your areas, your states, your markets. There is all the product that choose from almost any part of the world. No need of face-to-face interaction between buyer and seller. Then it is a worldwide reach. Electronic businesses help the market to become global. Businessmen get a link with electronic business, get wide recognitions and are able to get new consumers. This has helped the consumer to get goods at a lower price and also get information about different kinds of goods. This is the one benefits of electronic business. Another movement toward a paperless society. Use of internet has considerably reduced the dependent paperwork. Thus, recording and referring of information has become easy. There is also the one benefits of electronic business, movement toward a paperless society. Government supports. The government provides favorable environment for setting up of electronic business. This support ensures the maximum transparency. There is also the one advantages of electronic business. Easy payments. The payments in electronic business is done by credit card, fund transfer, etc. And it is available rounding the clock. Then payment is made through credit cards and money transfer. Therefore, there is a less risk of payment and no bad debt for the business. There is the one advantages of electronic business. Now students, today we are complete benefit of electronic business. There is some benefits of electronic business as is of formation, lower investment requirement, convenience, speed, global access, movement toward a paperless society, government support, easy payments. Now assignment questions. Write down the benefits of electronic business. Thank you.